Consider for a moment the lure of the open road, the smell and feel of leather, Corinthian leather of course, the thrill of rapid acceleration. And really, if you're into motorcycles, you get it. One of the key selling points, especially for Harley-Davidson or the Harley-Davidson line, is that growling, throaty, internal combustion rumble made by the engine, right? It sounds like power. But time never stands still, and a new generation of bikes are hitting the streets, powered not by petroleum, but by high-tech batteries. The age of the electric motorcycle has begun, and a number of the majority of manufacturers are joining in the parade. And there's no doubt that with the winds of technology shifting towards basically all things electric, new road warrior machines will continue to hit the market. And so when it comes to managing a portfolio, trying to time market trends can be like chasing the wind, with the danger of getting thrown off course when things don't go out as planned. Now, think about this. In fact, in December 2018, which turned out to be the worst month in stock market history, U.S. investors pulled out $123 billion from the stock market. It was the biggest outflow ever recorded by Morningstar. Then, from Christmas 2018 through just the end of January 2019, the S&P shot up nearly double digits in 1 month. So all of those investors that took their money out when it was rocky, they missed out on all those big gains. Here's the bottom line. Smooth and steady seems to be a wiser approach. If you're one of those investors who tries to predict what the market will do next, then you don't have a plan. Investment losses hurt more the closer you get to retirement. You need to plan and protect and make sure that your money will last. Text "Talk to Marcus" to 555-888 to schedule a call with me, and we'll discuss your investing approach. You can't time the market, but you can create a plan.